So welcome back. In this video we will learn how to create a Gmail account, new Gmail account. So we will write here Gmail, Google. We will click create a Gmail account. We will go sign up for a Gmail account. Go to your account. Three steps we have to follow. We will select create an account. We will write first name. We will write second name. So I have selected username, first name, last name. Now I will write password. After writing password, first name, second name, username, I will click next. So the username is already taken. I will click this one. Then I will click next. So you will give phone number over here. You will select your birth date. You select gender. Then you will click next. You can read these terms and conditions. You will click agree and your account is created. So here you can see you can use your Gmail account or Gmail ID or create a Google account in this way. That's all from this video.